welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to track your lost phone with Google or Google Find My Device. So now there are still many people who are figuring out how to use Find My Device to track their mobile number installed on the lost phone. Actually, every phone has provided a special application to track a phone number if something unexpected happens, one of which is losing your phone. The apps are Find My Device for Android. For those of you who are still new to the default application, here's how to find a lost phone with Find My Device. If you want to track a lost phone, then you can do it easily. Nowadays, every smartphone is equipped with GPS for easy location tracking. For those of you who are Android users and have lost your phone, you can track it with the Find My Device application or search it via browser. You can use the application or access it through the official website. Here's how to use it. First, open the browser on your phone or laptop, then visit the address https://www.google.com/android/find. You can also use the Find My Device application, which can be downloaded via the Google Play Store. Next, sign in to the Google account installed on the phone you want to track. If there are two or more Google accounts on the phone, use the primary Google. If the Google account is used on multiple phones, all types of phone will appear and select the phone you want to track. Second, after that, the map will show the current location of the phone. If the phone is already turned off, then the location shown is the last location when the phone was still on. You can ring your phone using Find My Device for easy tracking by clicking play sound. This feature can still ring the phone even though you previously put it in silent mode. Third, insert friend or family phone number. Immediately use the Secure Device option to lock the phone and give messages on the phone screen. You can pin a friend's or family's phone number to make it easier for people who found your phone to contact you. If you haven't found the phone, you can delete all the data on it so that it is not misused by clicking Erase Device. After that, all the data on it will be permanently deleted, including the Google account, which will cause you to no longer be able to track your phone.